8 acres on me, and then went on working on custom work now. So we gotta go back and do 28 acres, I think. Gonna have a good crop this year. This corn that I'm in now, it's running pretty good. This hill's pretty thin, so I mean, it's for the weather we had this year, having lots and lots of rain, which I think hurt this variety some, and then getting a real dry spell there in late July, and we got 2 inches of rain there in the middle of August, and it's cut off ever since, so it's kind of made things a little different. I've already been in some corn that's been hitting over 300, so that's going to be a fun deal once I get back into that stuff. So I mean, this here ain't nothing shy about. It's averaging over 200, which you can't, I mean, just can't complain with what this farm is. So, but it's all about variety and what can take what stress, and if it's you know, what we get at what time of year. We just so blessed this year. I don't think we broke 100 one day with actual temperature. Heat index was over 100 a couple days, but actually having high humidity is good for corn because it doesn't lose as much moisture that way. So, but there's some spots that was ground out, and it's been knocking the yield a little bit, but like I said, my buddy that picked this up this year, I think a couple years of no-tilling it, because the guy before, he worked it every year, and that's really hasn't helped with water infiltration much, so. Well, there's 34 acres here, so we're going to get her done today. Got about 6 or 7 left. It'll be a good day. Harvested. Oh, we'll probably be about 7,000 bushel off of it, so he better not complain with what this made. So, good deal for first year having it, and stuff. So, but I've had a failing video, been meaning to get up. It's kind of a long one. I just ain't. It's all I gotta splice it together and get it up. Haven't posted much here in the last couple weeks, but figured I'd get something out, so I'll get that video hopefully put together this weekend if we get some rain. I'm kind of getting wore out, and we've only been going in this week. It's kind of been a slow go, and today's the best day I've had so far, so I'm gonna have to throw a motor in this R7 before we get done, because she's burning about 2 gallons a day of oil. Been limiting it by for about the last 4 years, and just starts burning more and more, and losing power. And I mean, 5,200 hours. I mean, I'd say she's. I don't blame it. It's been a good combine. I've put 1,000 engine hours on it so far. know, it's got capacity. I mean, it's not like a new one would be, but when I got everything in pretty much good shape since I got the helical, fixed my screw up last year on the helical. And I've installed the extra helical bar. I need to take it out. I've got just a little bit of rotor loss, but it's not nothing real bad. We'll, 200 bushel corn, we're probably about bushel on the ground with head and sieve and rotor loss all together. See if we can dump it off the side. Hey, boo-boo got the wrong road. Oh. That's not going to show up on the video good. I get a lot of crap for everything. For come up with some really weird shit stuff. I'm making a YouTube video. I don't edit nothing. It stays in there. See all the crap I get from you guys for stuff. Oh, it's always something. Oh well. Well, you're going to be heavy. It's going to be full because this was full hopper. Anyways, yeah, fun stuff. But I did go up to the Farm Progress show. First time ever going up there. Mainly went up there just to see the new T1 series Gleaners. Talked to Robert Ross, and hopefully we might have a demo coming in. Been working 10 years to get a demo combine. Got guys lined up for it. One never shows up. Get told 1 year, oh yeah, we'll get one. Nope, never came. So I'm kind of getting frustrated with that. We're about as loyal as a person can be to Gleaner and AGCO's true heritage, but yet every time I go and try to get something going on it, I get blowed off. I guess I'm just not the popular, good-looking guy that everybody wants to see on YouTube or whatnot. So I just saw a clip of True Ag delivering Gleaner to some other YouTubers, and True Ag is part of MERS, if I'm correct, and they were supposed to bring me a combine 6 years ago, and it never showed up. I got excuses. So that kind of ticks me off that, as loyal as we are to the brand and believe in something, they can't even take care of the guys that do that. So, and I know my my channel's not that big, but it's just kind of a, you know, it stings for me. But like I said, I've got people lined up to demo a combine. A couple guys are actually looking to buy a combine, and I think we could probably sell a couple of them. But nobody wants to. AGCO can't get AGCO step up to the plate. Hope they will this year. Can't get no dealers step up to the plate. Parallel took over Ziegler, that was a complete joke. The one combine cleaner they did demo, the old salesman, who I didn't think too much of, they took it to one guy and sold it. So I guess if that, you know, if you can go and switch somebody that fast, why don't you get more demos out there? I mean, that's how you keep dealerships going and all that good stuff. But you know, nobody has any motivation to do anything anymore, it seems like. That's completely sad in this ag economy, even though we are kind of in a downturn. Nobody wants to stand up for anything. But anyways, that's a whole nother story, I guess. But, well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was actually hit 270 there. It's not going there, it's ground out. But yeah, we got good corn, we got bad corn. This is, you know, going to be a little bit of everything depending on how the field drains this year. So, well, we'll see you guys on the next video, and take care, and be safe out there. We lost a young Alice guy this last couple of weeks in a farm accident on the roadway. So, with his 8050, I'm going to do a video, a memorial video for all the people we've lost in the Alice community here one of these days after harvest. But just a very bad tragedy, and I'll say more about the incident then. So, as I said, hope everybody stays safe during harvest, and we'll see you on the next one.